We go into a game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan, and the idea of this is that Colin has to act out an everyday activity, or mime it, while Ryan provides the sound effects using that microphone. So what everyday activity will you do? Oh, it's just looking for thrills at the fairground. Thrills at the fairground, Colin and Ryan. Okay, thank you very much. That's in there. Thank you. Very good. No, I think... 1,000 points each there. It'd be more if I could work out what you're doing, but that's...